Hello students, let's start computer class. Open your books. On page number 44, lesson number 4, algorithms and flowcharts. In the previous class, we have discussed connectors, types of connectors, and example 2, calculate the sum, difference and product of two numbers. Topic we will discuss today: flowchart to find the greatest of two numbers. Objectives: its main objective is to solve the various mathematical problems. Look at your book on page number 48. Example 3. Find the greatest of two numbers. Now we will discuss this flowchart. Here in this, you can see on the left side we have algorithm. On the right side we have flowchart for same algorithm. So now we will compare algorithm and flowchart. In the algorithm, step 1, input two numbers A and B. In the flowchart, the first step, start, then read A and B, that is the input, read A and B. In the algorithm, step 2, check whether A equals to B. In the flowchart, there is a decision box where we have written condition, is A equals to B. Now in algorithm, if it is true, like A equals to B is true, then print both numbers are equal and stop. And in the flowchart, if A equals to B is yes, then both numbers are equal and it will go to stop. Then in algorithm, if A is not equals to B, like if no, then go to step 3. And in the flowchart, if A is not equals to B, like A equals to B, no, then go to the other condition, that is A is greater than B. In the algorithm, step 3 will be compare A and B. Now in flowchart, if A is greater than B, then A is greater will print, and if no, then B is greater. Similarly in algorithm, if A is greater than B, then print A is greater and stop, else go to step 4. And in the algorithm, step 4 will be B is greater and stop. And similarly in the flowchart, the last instruction will be stop. So today we have discussed example 3 on page number 48. Find the greatest of two numbers. Now revise this flowchart at home.